Right, so what you do is, no, here, if you want to see the queen, you put your beer can down now, I would suggest. Right.
You stand right back.
No. Be gentle. Yeah, be gentle.
Gentle, you cunt.
Right. Stay away from the entrance. Stay away from the entrance.
Got you to the top first layer off, mate.
Right, nice steady movement. Do not bang the box. Don't block the entrance. Do not block the entrance. Right.
You've done level 1.
Right, now you take the super off, which is the whole top box. The whole top box. No, the box. The box. The big box at the top. That box there. It should lift off, it shouldn't be stuck that. That's it, should lift off that. And then put that on the lid.
I've got one lid on me already.
Right, no, that's it, should lift off now, that top box.
Mate, they look very
No, take the top box off and put it gently down on the lid. No, don't use a screwdriver.
They're angry, mate.
No, mate.
They're
Just
angry.
lift the top box off and put it on the lid.
Yeah, I'll leave you to that, Paul. I'm going on
What's
now.
going on, you faggot?
Yeah, I'm a faggot at the moment.
Just lift the top box
And the man
off.
in the suit.
That's it, lift the top box off, front and back, Paul. Yeah, front and back, that's it. Put it on top of the lid. Put it on top of the lid, nice and steady. That's it. Right. Good. Now then, you need to go back. Go back, mate.
Yeah, hold on, mate.
Fuck! Ah!
You need to put the lid back on.
Yeah.
No, you need to... Now.
Carl, your turn.
You need to put the lid back on.
Yeah.
Alright. Where's the screwdriver? He needs a screwdriver.
I'll give it him. I'll give you that screwdriver, Carl.
It's there.
It's there. What do you want to do with the screwdriver?
Take the next bit off.
That's the Queen excluder.
Take the next bit off,
And the
mate.
guy on the internet does this, he gets stung about 100 times and he goes, yeah, that's another one. That's another one. Once you become immune to it, you're fine.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
look at that bastard.
Mate.
I'm coming in though. Have another.
Mate. Are they stinging you? Oh my god! They're stinging his head, mate! They're on his head!
Carl,
Carl,
go!
walk
Get away, mate.
No.
Get away.
Oh, that's 2, that's 3. That's 4.
Carl, get away.
Push the screwdriver, mate!
That's a lot of fucking... That's a lot of stings.
All that through honey.
Oh, God,
Mate,
God.
you got one here, mate. Under your arm. Under your arm. No, you're not. Calm down. Lift your arm up. There.
That's one of the shirts at the front there, mate.
Oh, fuck. I'll just fucking out.
That's a lot of stings.
Mate, it's still on you. Oh!
Fucking hell, mate.
There's a lot of stings there, mate. I feel a bit dizzy.
Mate, you still got
I
one
feel
on
a
you.
bit dizzy. What, eh? How many times have you been stung?
A lot.
You'll be hallucinating in a minute,
Hey.
mate.
So many drugs.
Fucking hell. My
Why
head
are
feels
they
like...
attracted to you, mate?
Yeah, they love you.
Yeah.
Get out, mate. Go sit down on the bench, mate. That's a sting in your head there.
Right, to the next one.